This recording is going to show you how you can upload video presentations to your courses as a learner in Brightspace. The first thing we're going to do is within our course, we're going to access the location in which we are to submit our assignment. So this could be within the discussions or within the assignments tab. I will navigate to the assignments tab to show you an example of how this can be done. So from within the assignments tab, what I will do is go ahead and click on my assignment. From here, what you'll notice is that I have my assignment, and typically I may have the assignment instructions listed here, and then below that is a text box. I am able to either attach a file or type within my text box. So what I'm going to do is come down here, and I can click on the box, and you'll notice that there is a text editor at the top. It allows me to format my text, my font, and do all of those things. But also on the left-hand side, I have a section here that allows me to insert content into this text box. So I have the insert stuff, which allows me to insert links and other items that are provided here. I have the insert a picture, so I can insert an image from my computer. And then I also have this option to insert a quick link. And this is where you're going to go to insert your video. So from within the quick link menu, I'm going to just navigate down to third party. And what I'm going to use is Relay Lecture Capture. This is a tool provided by Techsmith. Every student and faculty member at URI has a Techsmith Relay account, and you can access this through the Techsmith Relay website, but you can also, it's been integrated here within Brightspace, meaning I don't have to go outside of Brightspace to either record and or upload my video content to Brightspace. So if I had pre-recorded my video, you'll notice it would be here, and I can simply click Add Media. But in this case, what I need to do is I actually need to record my media. So I'm going to click here to launch Capture. And if I have not downloaded the Techsmith Capture software, I need to go ahead and do that. So I would click download, and it would download to my downloads folder, and I would need to complete that download process. And then when I'm ready, I'll click Open Techsmith Capture. You may notice that every time you click on this, even though you've already downloaded the Capture software, it will still show this box. That's okay, just bypass it. You only need to download it to your computer once. So what I'm going to do is click Open Techsmith Capture. So when I click to Open Techsmith Capture Relay, you'll notice it has detected my webcam, and it's asking me, do I want to go ahead and start my capture? So I will click on Capture, and now it's asking, what would I like to capture? So if I am, let's say I'm presenting from a web browser, I'm doing a Google Slides presentation or something along those lines, I would most likely just select my browser here. If I had PowerPoint open, then what I would want to do is click on my PowerPoint. And if I wanted to record my desktop, what I'll do is I just scrolled over to the left to my desktop, and you'll notice that the window that it is capturing has become my entire desktop. So for this example, I'll just show you what it looks like to record your browser. I'll click on my web browser, and then I have this shortcut menu down here. I have the record button. I also have the webcam button. The webcam will allow me, if I turn it on, it allows me to toggle back and forth between my webcam and my screen. So that can be helpful if you're going to record your webcam doing a quick, introduction to your presentation and then toggle over. So I'm going to allow the toggle to happen. If I have it off, I won't be able to record my webcam at all. Then I have the speaker icon, which will allow me to toggle between my system audio if I wanted to record audio from my computer and I wanted that captured in addition to my microphone audio, then I would want that selected. And then you'll notice my microphone is turning green here with my speaking, so that's a good way to just sort of test that my microphone is going to be recorded. And now I'm going to go ahead and click record. So you'll notice that it starts with a little countdown, and because I had selected that my webcam was, I did want to be able to toggle back and forth. It's now starting with my webcam. But if I scroll down here, I have the option to stop, pause, I can turn off my webcam. And when I turn off my webcam, it now focuses on capturing my screen. So again, that's helpful if you want to start off with a quick introduction, and then you want to go to your screen to record your screen presentation. If I were just going to record maybe my introduction of who I am, then maybe I just record my webcam the whole time. So you'll notice it is recording. I've got the time counting here. Any website that I go to, I navigate to, would be screencasted within my presentation. So typically I would already have my Google Slides or my Prezi up here, or my PowerPoint and so on. Now what I'm going to do is just press stop. And you'll notice that I have the option now to upload this to Techsmith Relay. So I'm going to upload in the lower right-hand corner. And it says your media is done. So go ahead and click close. And now you'll notice it again brings me back to this download relaunch. I'm all done here. So I've recorded my video and I've uploaded it. I can go ahead and close this tab. So I'm just going to X out of this tab. And now I'm back into my Brightspace course. So from here, what I can do is click close. My recording is no longer in process. And here's my recording. It's now showing up right within my library to be linked into my assignment. So if I click add media, here's the link to my assignment recording. I may want to just provide a note to the instructor, click on this link to access my video recording, and I can click submit, and that will be submitted to my instructor for grading. For this assignment, it's saying, I was supposed to attach a file, so that is a setting within this assignment. So if I attach a file in addition to my video, I can do that. Typically, a video submission would not require you to attach a file. So you click submit, and that is it. So to navigate to your Techsmith library, you can go to uri.techsmithrelay.com. So when you come here, you will log on again using your single sign-on or your normal, login and password you use for email and Brightspace. And you'll notice you can launch the Capture software here as well. You can also upload content from your computer. So if let's say you recorded a video on your phone or someplace else and you want to just upload that, you can do that here. And then you can also edit here too. So if I click on my video, I can scroll down here and I have the option to change the privacy setting on mine. So you'll notice that it already defaults to users within my organization, which is great. And then I can also edit my video. So if I want to edit a copy of it or the original, this is helpful if, let's say, you were interrupted mid-presentation and you want to be able to just cut that piece out. You can simply use the edit original and you can just go ahead and edit that piece of it out. There's a clipping tool that you could use. I can also edit the details. So maybe I want to change this to something else there as well. And down here, you have the option to share. So if you wanted to grab your link from here rather than using it within Brightspace, that's fine too. You can go to share. You can get an embed code or get a link to post within Brightspace. You can also download the file if you need to download the video for any reason. So a lot of different options that you can do there. And in addition to submitting within the assignments tab, you really have this option to create and upload video content using the Techsmith Relay integration anywhere where you have the ability to text. So basically here, if I start a new thread within my discussion, look, I have that quick link again here. So anywhere where I have access to the quick link, I have the ability to post a video. I hope that's helpful. Good luck creating your videos.